Microsoft OneNote has a feature called LinkedIn, and the LinkedIn feature is an add-in where you can link Microsoft OneNote to a file you have in Word, or a presentation you have in PowerPoint, or even an appointment or a meeting you have in Outlook. Let's, for example, look at a presentation I've got in PowerPoint, and I'll bring this into view. I'd like to make some notes about this presentation file. So I'd like to go to the Review tab in PowerPoint and hit the Linked Notes button. This will then shift PowerPoint a little to the left and bring up the last page I was sitting in when I was last in my notebook. And it was the Overview page in the Promotion section. Now it's in this page that I would like to keep the notes, but I do have the opportunity here to actually choose which notebook, which section, and in which page I'd like to keep these notes. So I'll go Cancel and stay with my Overview page in the Promotion section. Now I'd like to keep some notes about this slide here, for example. So I'll click on my Overview page and I'll put a note to identify each member of the pink team. So this is my team of helpers with me in the middle and my youngest helper, Harris. Now I also have another slide I'd like to make a note about, and it's this slide here. This particular car was the best pinked out car, first prize. And I'll have another slide here, and this was our best pinked out girl, first prize. So I've created 3 notes about 3 slides in this particular PowerPoint presentation, and I'd like to close this PowerPoint presentation. What I can do now is show you how you would use this when it came to Word. I have a Word document here, for example, which is the speech I wish to give on their arrival. I'll click on this particular Word document and I'll make a note here. And now I'll close this Word document. So the whole idea is when I'm back in OneNote, and let me just close this particular quick note screen. When I'm back in OneNote and back in my notebook, and I'm sitting in my promotion section and on my overview page, I can see there's some notes here. When I actually rest on the notes, I can see that these notes, this one here, is about PowerPoint. It's got the P for PowerPoint symbol, and it's in regard to a file called Pink Ribbon Event PPTX, and it's with regards to a slide and even a preview of the slide. And here, this particular note here, again, I can see that this refers to a PowerPoint presentation, and this refers to a Word document. So the whole idea is if I double click this little symbol, it will actually open up the Word document arrival speech and take me to the exact location where I put the note. And here's the file here, and there's the location there where my cursor is blinking. If I close this file and go to one of the PowerPoint notes, I can, for example, double-click the PowerPoint symbol and go OK, and it will open up the PowerPoint presentation and take me to the exact point that I made that note. And there it is there. So if you have a file in PowerPoint or Word, or a message or an appointment or a meeting in Outlook, and you want to create linked notes about that file, simply go to the Review tab in Word or PowerPoint and hit the Linked Notes button and start typing notes.